That's it. That's the form of law of attraction. That's the process of creating as an alchemist. Set an intention. What is your next action? To match your vibration with that intention. We have spoken about it earlier also. But again, you're fighting. What should I do to get there? What should I do to get there? What should be my strategy? How should I reach there? What are the actions I need to take? Stop asking stupid questions to yourself. You're cluttering your space. You're blocking your channel with the universe. The flow is being blocked. You got to be in the receptive mode. When you receive the resources, the opportunities, the connections, then your intuition will tell you take action here, and it will be easy and flow, and you'll do it, and its rest will be done. Now, 1 crore is big, 1 crore is big, 1 crore is big. I don't have power over it. I am not, I want to have control over it. How should I go? What should be my strategy? Which are the resources? Which are the paths? Relax. The power trip. Now when I had been on a meeting, once I had been on a meeting with a studio person, and then the person is a film distributor, an exhibitor, and then the person was telling me about my story content, that we gonna pitch this big so-called studio, I won't name it, and they are bigger people, they are powerful people, they are very known people, so they will have such expectation, or such cast they need, such kind of content they need, such kind of timeline they give, such kind of XYZ expectations. The first thing I had contemplated it, what do you mean? The person is bigger than me, I'm below that, or they are above me? No. If that has been attracted to my consciousness, that this studio I'm going to work with or pitch to or speak to, it means we are one. I have achieved that vibration as one with them. That's why I have attracted them to my consciousness, and as a result I manifested into my physical space. Now again, if I go back to the thought, they are bigger than me, they are a bigger studio, they are this people, that people, I need to match their expectation, I need to be certain, I need to bring certain people or speak certain language or agree with their ideas or process. That means I am giving away the power of my consciousness, my geniusness, my creativity to be dictated by someone else. No, I had learned that. Respect their power. Respect that. When you see something bigger you have attracted, it means you are big, you're grand, your idea is grand, your energies, you're vibing high. Nobody is above or below you. The only thing you got to do is match your vibration with your desire, one with it, become one with it, and it will automatically manifest in your space. The universe will send it to you, and then you take inspired action. Your guidance, your intuition, your inner guidance system will tell you what action to be taken, and with ease and flow, be yourself, be your authentic self, be that powerful force. Go do that thing and let it go, and just come out as a powerful king or queen and sit in your throne and let everything come to you after you have taken all the actions. Don't chase, don't run, don't underestimate your force, your power, and think something is bigger or lesser than you. Nothing. Everything is one. The only action you need to take in earth space to become that vibration, the one vibration with that calling, that desire, that outcome, that intention. Everything else is sorted. So let go of that power trip, the power game, the power and control process. You don't need to think that something has power over you or you have power over something. You don't have the power to manipulate or something to be manipulated by you. When you are doing that, you are going against the universal flow, the cosmic flow. You are non-aligning with the higher self. You are getting into the resistance mode. You are going against the flow, and then when you do that, all the illness starts, the suffocation, the slavery, the lack, meeting expectations, pleasing people, losing sanity, losing creativity, losing control, and then exhaustion comes. And after a year or 2 years, and then you are like, shit, man, what am I doing with my life? I'm tired of doing that. People come to me, successful people, I'm tired of doing this, Mona. I want to change my life. There is the change. Start with yourself. Start giving power to others to dictate your state of consciousness. Start and stop holding that power to control or manipulate somebody else's state of consciousness. You are not here to fix anyone. Nobody has the power to fix you. Everybody is coming together, connecting and collaborating. Once you are in oneness with the vibration of your desire, everything will be sent out to you, sent towards you by the universe, and you will take your inspired action. And next is surrender and let it come to you, the outcome. Do other things. There will be so many possibilities once you have set so many intentions we are setting in every moment, right? So let go of the power trip, the power and control game, and stop chasing yourself, chasing things, chasing intentions, chasing outcomes. We have spoken it over and over again in different ways, different language, different perspective, different processes and different topics, and I'm coming back again. I don't know, it has come to me that people are always wanting, we as people always wanting to have power and control over a situation, over an idea, over a result, over a solution. You don't need to have power or control over anything. You just need to have need to become one with that power of creation, the power of law of attraction, power of manifestation, power of alchemy. Become that one with that power. The first basic frequency is 738, which is the Schumann resonance earth frequency. Once you are in that frequency, it means you are aligned with the earth's vibration. From there you can grow, expand your consciousness, your frequency will grow, your vibrations will rise, and every intention you will set will start aligning with your vibration and start coming into your physical dimension. So stop controlling, stop chasing, stop fighting, stop looking to have power and control over anything. Just allow, just align, just accept, appreciate, and raise your vibration. Let go of control. You don't need to control anything. Be free. When you are controlling something, you're losing your freedom. When you let everything free, you are free to fly and thrive and just strive ahead in your journey of consciousness, of success, of rewards. It will just come and kiss you. You don't have to go and kiss anybody, right? Take care till we tune in next time. That's Vedania. Have fun and keep thriving in euphoria.